I'm very sure you are not ready for this one. Do you know this rapper, this American rapper, Kevin Gates?
For sure. Why?
His ex-girlfriend has come out to tell us that when they were dating, she used to lulu, pee. You know peace now, peace. All those money peace. Those that are very, very yellow. She would piss into a cup and give it to the idiot as he was drinking it. That was what he was enjoying.
Is this some rituals for some, I don't know.
Which ritual?
For some occult or...
You don't know what they call fantasy. That was what he was enjoying. That was what he liked. That was what he wanted. He was enjoying drinking, so he used to turn him on. The guy will pee on the cup and give him, and then he will be turned on.
Uncle, your story.
Do you even know that some people, they even prefer it, they won't like it when the woman is spitting inside their mouth? It turns them.
That one I know. That one I know, but it's
the same thing with this one.
Pee is something different. Now it's another level.
So people, you are just living your life. You are living an abomination life, and you don't know. And then this same fool will go to the church and go and pray to the Almighty God, and you are expecting prayer. Do you know what a woman's pee is consistent of?
No, what's it consistent?
You don't know?
No, you are here to enlighten us.
If you take a woman's pee and drink it, don't bother going on your knees to pray to God. God will deny you. There is no way you can be better in your life. That was how a stupid friend of mine that went to carry a shower. He went to carry a shower. When the shower woke up in the morning, and normally if you carry a shower must wake up before you. There's no way you wake up before a shower in the morning. Government approved time for a shower to wake up is 4:30 a.m. So when she wake up, she used her towel to clean your stamina. After bathing, she clean up.
Hey.
And you know women, when women are cleaning up, they take the towel and men, our own is different. When we want to clean our body, we start with for the head. The same towel the woman, the guy used to clean it, he just woke up and took his own shower and then he put it on his head. There is no way you can be good in life. There's no way your life will be better. And how can you allow such? You know, many people have things that turn them on. You understand me? And I'm very sure you that is looking at me, you also have your body.
But why pissing in the car? Why don't you let her piss straight in your?
Are you asking?
Why wasting the car?
Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
What turns you on actually when you want to get is?
Oh,
what do you like?
Yeah, I'm still a virgin.
You're still a virgin?
Yes.
Virgin killed it.
I'm still a virgin.
As grown up as you are, your baby is like I also, but you're telling me you are still a virgin.
I'm a virgin now, uncle.
You're a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin. Are you? What about you?
Me?
Yes, you.
I'm not a virgin.
I know that one, but
I'm very proud of it.
What do you prefer? What turns you on?
What
is your fetish?
You want me to tell you?
Nah, you don't have to tell me. Tell them.
If a girl just touch my knee, the left knee, you see this kneecap? Immediately you touch that kneecap, my body will just be. The way I'm talking about it, I'm just remembering the girl that did it last night.
You give her all your money. You will give her all your money.
Camera, you edit that one. People will not think I'm carrying women every day.
Now I know where all your money is going.
But at least I am not drinking peace. Let me tell you, if you are drinking peace, you are playing with your life. You are playing with your destiny. How can you be drinking woman's pee?
Maybe that's what's keeping him successful.
Exactly, that's the reason which successful. Nobody even knows it. That's the reason why I've not blown to now. You think maybe music will help you? As long as you are making good music and you are drinking pee, you will never blow. Rubbish. Your name is Kevin Gates and you could not close the gate of your mouth not to drink pee. What a waste. Rubbish.